This is the Blizzard Bonafide. No changes from last year, just the graphics updates. Still using the same great flip core technology. It's probably our best selling freeride ski, and here's how it tested.
I've just been out on the Blizzard Bonafide. Conditions out there are definitely spring conditions, a little bit slushy, but you can still find the firm places. I've got to say this ski's a bit of a monster, and a good monster. It's a super powerful ski. It needs to be skied hard, it needs to be skied fast, and it will just keep on responding. There's a lot of technology in this ski. First off, we've got the flip core technology. So it's just a more natural rocker the way the ski's made. Full length sidewalls for extra edge grip, and then we've got two metal layers as well, just all adding to the power of this ski. This is essentially a freeride ski. It's going to excel in the backcountry, getting that deep powder, and it's going to be brilliant. But it really is a charger on piste as well.
I started from the groomers and I jumped to the powder, which became slash at the very, very bottom. Absolutely perfect. Go as fast as you want to. The grip on the skis and the control in the turn is just amazing. They're coming with a bit of a rocker on the tip and tail. It's very, very smooth. It's very, very. The ski behaves very, very predictable inside the turn. The rebound is very, very predictable. That's the way how the Blizzard is inserting the rocker using the flip core technology. Advanced skier who is looking for one ski to do everything, who wants to charge, who really wants to go for it, and he doesn't want to bother with like two sets of skis, one for powder, one for piste. Well, if you're strong enough, this model will do whatever you want